Yo, so we're gonna do Forex pairs, all right? The reason why, we love Forex pairs is because it's no manipulation, all right? So let's just take a look at this pair. Yeah, I know we go to the M15. I'm gonna go check it out, see if it's in these zones. It's an overall uptrend on the M15. You see this is bouncing right here on the stochastic, so we know we going back up, all right? Even though the M1 is a downtrend, we know we going back up. So what I like to do, I'm gonna start off at $100 at 1 minute. Boom. All right. 30 seconds in. If it ain't in profit, I get another pair. I get in another trade. All right. So that's how we do that. But again, Forex pairs, no manipulation. If you tired of manipulation, stop trading OTC. You know what I'm saying? Simple as that. Just don't trade OTC. If you feel like they always, getting you at the last few seconds, switch to just doing Forex pairs. Let me make sure I'm in focus, y'all. But yeah, just switch to doing regular Forex pairs. You know what I'm saying? So let me zoom in a little bit more so y'all can see. I'm at the 30-second mark and I'm not in profit. So I'm going to go 150. All right. Boom. So I did one more, but it looks like both right now are in profit. But again, if, it don't go in profit in 30 seconds of that, I'm going to do another one. That'll be my third one. And by the fourth one, if it ain't winning profit, I get on another one. So this one looks like it may work out to where I get both. Because I got 4 seconds left on this 100 and I got it. Boom. So we got that one. And then this one is still in profit. So it's looking good. And I know I'll be making this look easy, but I could just literally see everything that's going on right now. But a couple things you got to realize with Forex pairs is that news does hit. So if you want to know like when news could possibly hit, you need to download the MyFXBook app and you'll be able to see from there. All right. So I got 10 seconds left and we pushing down. So I might lose this one, which I hope not. But if so, then I'm about to, I lost that one. All right, that's fine. But I'm about to hit him with 250 on a buy. Boom, right there. So this is my third entry now. Cause see now I'm negative like $50 because I got the 100, but then I lost 50 on the other one. So now we do 250. So if I lose this one, I got one more trade. And if I do not make that trade, I got to be done. That's how this works. That's the 4 entry rule. And it's real good with Forex because it's, like I said, no manipulation. So only thing that could happen is news could hit and either it could spike in my direction or it could just spike randomly in a different direction. So far, looking good. We winning. But if you stick to your rules and you have discipline, bruh, it gets really easy to do this. So I got 10 seconds left and we looking good on this trade. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Run me my money. And I did all this in confidence. Give me that. Boop. Made all my money back plus some. See what I'm saying? So that's the 4 entry rule. Just doing straight Forex pairs. And this was a downtrend on the M1, but an uptrend on the M15. But do y'all see what I'm saying? So rule of thumb, because sometimes you'll have a downtrend on the M1, but the M15 will be an uptrend. So you got to look at that. Overall, the higher time frames is gonna have better zones as far as support and resistance. It's gonna have better zones as far as everything else. So you always want to make sure you look at the higher time frame first. You know what I'm saying? So this potentially, cause see, let's look at the M15 real quick again. These are 15-minute candles. All right. So this one got 20 something seconds left. So this next candle could potentially go up. Cause if you see, look at structure. It low-key broke structure, but it still got to pull back before it do anything else. But you can see how all the candles was in the middle of the Keltner, right here, all the way up, bounce off the middle, go, boom, bounce off the middle, go. Then it broke through the middle, so now it broke structure. But now it's gonna have to come and pull back, right? And then either go back down or continue back up. So the stochastic is super low. So honestly, I'm about to do it again, one more time for y'all on the same pair. Let's go to the M1, and I'm gonna start back at 100. And we're going to 4 entry rule again. All right. So at the 30-second mark on this trade, if it ain't in profit, I'm going to get my 150 ready. And that's how we're going to do this. And this is all, I ain't going to say it's a guarantee, but it's most of the time 80 to 85%. You know, if you do it right. If everything, I ain't even mark up no zones because I don't feel like I had to. But you should be good. Because it ain't got too much longer to go down for it turn around. 30-second mark, we're not in profit. Boom, 150. Same thing. Now, sometimes, like I said again, sometimes you may get both. But I'm just sticking to the rules. And if that one don't go, so that's what, 250? So now I need to go with about, I'm gonna go 350 on this next one. All right, if it ain't in profit. This one is at 35, so it's almost at 30. Boom, just hit 30, not in profit. Boom, do another one. Then I got one more trade. So by this last trade, if it ain't went up, then guess what? We took the L. And that's okay. The last one, sometimes I like to do a crazy trade though. I'm gonna do like 750. We need to run up a bag. So this one got 8 seconds left and it ain't in profit yet. So let's see. 2, 1. That one didn't go. That one hit 30 seconds, not in profit. Boom. 750. Now I might get both of these, depending on if it want to shoot up now. Let me see if y'all can see that. All right, that's my last trade. I can't place no more trades after this. So if it go, we got it. If not, it is what it is. But that's the discipline I be talking about. 8, 7, 6. I'm for sure getting this one, this last one. I mean this one right here. 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know about this 35-second one, but we'll see. Boom, got that one. Put me at 13.5. If I get this one, oh, we running it up. He pushing though. He pushing. As long as news don't hit, I think we good. Yeah, we pushing. It's a beautiful thing. That 4 entry rule, let me tell you, that discipline, man. It's a different breed. 14 seconds left. Just don't trade with your emotions, y'all. At the beginning, yeah, you definitely trading with your emotions because you're new. But after a while, man, it's just smooth selling. Look at this. Nice entry on that last entry. 3, 2, 1. Get my money. Bop. Yeah, 14.9 now. Almost at 15K. So you see what I'm saying? Stick to the rules, baby. Hey, I promise you, it's worth it. So I think that's pretty much it for y'all today, man. Hopefully, did they switch to at the last little bit? They probably did it right after my trade closed. But at the end of the day, man, do what you're supposed to do in these markets, man. I promise you. Y'all, a lot of people be saying pocket options is a scam, this, that, and the third, bro. I promise you. It's only you. It's you who not, making it how you supposed to make it, bro. You got to really get in here and really take your time, study the chart, study the market, how it move. And then once you really got it, you got it. Just be disciplined. Get off when you're supposed to. Take the money out when you're supposed to. Withdraw when you're supposed to. And it'll be a blessing to you. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, seek Jesus. He the only way. You dig? Make sure you build a relationship with him every day. Because the times we in is wild. And it's only going to get wilder. So I want y'all to be safe, be protected. And, Lord willing, I'll be able to see y'all in another video. Peace.
Going to different locations. How they got one, I need some direction. Me and Vinci go up every session. Cook it up, yeah, it's no pressure. Yeah, you know how we do it, we all in. We can slow up and you never catch.